me done. See the germs, them a try to diminish me with any weapon. Once me got me gun, tell me I celebrate, let me broke a record.
Reaction.
What's the word YouTube? It's the boy Tariq Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. What's happening, Sake? It's the boy Tariq. We're back. People comment on this video, this year, comment right there next to that I post. You know, posting every single day, Mr. Consistent. But people, right now we're on a mission. We're trying to reach 20,000 subscribers before the end of October. People, today is October. So what time is it? It's 11:22 p.m. in the night. It's October 10th. We're at 18,400 subscribers right now. People, we can do it. We're gonna do it. So we want you right now to subscribe to the channel right now. Smash the subscribe button. Teach your mother phone, everybody, your auntie, stay, uncle phone, everybody, and subscribe. Sankis, what's up? Where that song from? Highlight again. You feel me? I did this song, the most recent song. It's called Pitbull. Yeah, I remember it. It was lit. You feel me? And then I saw someone in the comment section recommending this one. It's called Underrated lyric video. So underrated, what do you think he's talking about? Obviously, or not obviously. In my opinion, I think he's talking about, like, you know, him in the music industry. Him underrated. People say him not get the ratings he deserve. Because if that's him I talk about right now, if that's him I talk about, that will react to the message I was sent forth in that song. You see me, I say it's a lyric video, so we make the lyrics them. I heard the music videos, when I know me already. When I look for the big batty girl and white them body and go on bad. But we can see what I go on right now, yeah, man. And people, saying kids, like Barry running from the clash. You know some not bias already, you know. But let's say Barry running from the clash. Me not lie to you. Barry know I go on. Anyways, highlight. You see what I go on. Run tune. You hear that? You hear that, people? He does say I'm destined for greatness. He does say I'm going to survive through the fight. And I'm going to go out. I'm going to do what with the world? I'm going to evolve with the world while it changes. You see me? So things and time might change. He might change too with things and time too. You see me? I say, him not get left behind in 2020. That's clear. Go on. As it changes. Come in.
The music, all when they do for me a hatred.
Hola, people are gonna say kiss. Not yet for the dog. It does say what how them do for the music, how them do for my hatred. That's a go on. John, run it.
All the fans of me accumulate.
Well, on the past. I don't know why me have one of my characters like a talker phone, like me I use a talker phone and a dog. We don't use a talker phone in a reaction them. Like why we did that? Run it.
Get and earn them ratings.
Well, I earned by a little bit. Run tune.
All when me do for the music, all when they do for me a
hatred.
All the fans of me accumulate and earn them ratings. Somehow my contribution to the game is still debated.
What?
Can't to believe what they claim for me, see me underrated. Ask every 9 out of 10 people and we say me are the favorite.
Every 9 out of 10 people say my them favorite. But the dog say with all the contribution into the music and them still not get the dog him ratings. People are throwing me with a song for reactor right now. And right now, you see if you come from and say it's more, you run up that video right now so the video recommends to more people. So the way for the more you like the video, the more you drop a comment so the video recommends to more people. So more eyes come to my video and then send traffic to a highlight video. So that cannot be underrated no more. If you don't know how to comment, drop some fire emotion in the comment section. I don't want no one comment, I don't play number 2 because we're the bottom man over here. So we want 3, 4, 5 comments in the comment section. And if you don't know how to comment some fire emoji. You don't know it, chap. Right?
They know what me, pose and be don't wanna hear it. You know see the part where the whole of them a walk on me who pay it.
What?
Not to believe but the clear for me see me underrated.
The dog say him pay every part, you know, people. How long the dog got the music for? Come take me see a song for him when I run from around 6 years ago or 5 years ago now. Yeah, man.
Grandfather, no Okay, why they try me can't bother.
Yeah.
Why me go down me right side?
Yeah.
Get me out, me shot the umpire.
Yeah, you heard that?
And then until the day me retire.
Yeah.
Fans follow when they see me on the flyer.
Yeah.
Me know that the whole entire.
Yeah.
Relation I see the fight, me a fighter. I
The
just
dog say, must go and do it, you know. Guess what? Listen. Me know
umpire. One
the dog say, shut the umpire.
then until the day me retire.
One till the day and retire, nah, stop.
Fans follow when they see me on the flyer.
Guy and party.
Me know that the whole entire.
Yeah.
Relation I see the fight, me a fighter. I just love for the music. Yeah. Why me still a do this? Dog wanna see me play down Barry and see the goal post and move it.
Hey, listen, my general. You had the music for a long while, a long time I had the reaction, and this year I find out about you. You see me, I say. So go on, do your thing, you do something right, because your viewers, them, your audience, your fan base, let me know about you right now. And you see them support and them run out for you, because I do the reaction, around 6,000 people watch my reaction video, and that's because people them play them part. You see me, I say. And your song I go and go to people, it's a good song. I like that song there. I like the video too. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, run it.
Then I must say to me, you know, and nobody can use me. Me just do me one thing, and you know, people things don't move me.
You hear that?
People things don't move me. Yeah. Down when me do.
Like I said, must you man a group, you know, run up with a bag of man. Maybe that's why I'm taking that take off, wait for take off.
The music, all when they do for me, I hatred. With all the fans of me accumulate and earn them ratings. Somehow my contribution to the game is still. They know what me, those that we don't wanna it. You can't believe but it's clear for me see me underrated. Son of me talk to me madness.
Hold on. We just skip out the chorus because we know the chorus already. Alright, run it now.
I'm nothing special. I'm a badness, son of me talk to me madness. I'm madness to me method. Forget it,
The dad said the method to me malice, I'm madness to me metal.
Come me done, see the germs, them a try to diminish me with any weapon. Once me got me gun, tell me I celebrate, let me broke a record. With a little bit of cheese, if you follow the rum. What? Me lungs full of cheese, like me butter, they call me just shell on stage. Professional, me a big gun, just like rock like a heavy metal.
Walad! He dog a spit. Right now if you don't spit lyrics right, just so for emotion in the comment section. Man, I'm telling you, if you one comment, say if you comment already, drop some more comment again. Brother, you drop a comment. You know hard for you doing that. Me even do nothing right. I must look at you right now. Just comment on the video and you don't know it, chap. Run it!
The energy me roll with the phenomenal. Can't this another fan base, this is a cult.
Wala. The dog says it's not a fan base, this is a cult. Wala.
Jimmy roll with the phenomenal. Can't this another fan base, this is a cult. Show me jump out of school, them a figure me done. But anybody try test me, I see the results. And enough of them a hate cause I make a the boss. But me no make music, me make a difference. Now when me do for the music, now when I do for me, I hate.
Dog say, wala them people, wala.
This is a cult. Show me jump out of school, them a figure me done. But anybody try test me, I see the results. And enough of them a hate cause I make a the boss. But me no make music, me make a difference.
Dog say no make music, he make a difference. Enough of them I hate because of him have a buzzer. People, the dog name, highlight. And they really put a highlight on it right now. You dig me? Finish up the video still. Of course, I'm up again. Yeah, man. I'm saying that. Alright, people, I highlight me. You see me, I say from Saint Kitts. You see me? I'm going to go support the dog, make him know say the reaction boss and over there. So you see me, I say, people, another way you can support him and also me. Screen a card, screenshot and tag me on Instagram at Life After I can tag him on Instagram. To you see me, I go to him Instagram. When I check out him Instagram, I don't know if he have Instagram or not, but screen a card, your favorite part from the reaction video and tag me on Instagram at Life After I. Follow me on Instagram also. You see me? Recommend some more songs from Saint Kitts over there up on the gram. Reaction was there. There's a chop already. You see me? Gone. Peace.